Billdozer. How are you? Billdozer is a mix between a vehicle and an animal. Do you know what he really is? Yes, a cow and a bulldozer. Hi, Wheelephant. Wheelephant is a mix between an excavator and an elephant. Torch, you're funny. Hi, Trackodile. Trackodile is a mix between a crocodile and a rock crusher. Hi, Meagle. Meagle is a mix between an eagle and a plane. Krane. Krane is a mix between a crane and a giraffe. Nice try, Torch. Hi, Trucktle. Trucktle is a mix between a turtle and a Firetruck. Hi, Dump Trucks. Dump Trucks is a mix between a rhinoceros and a dump truck. Awesome, Torch. Hi, Krusty. Krusty is a mix between a mechanic and a silly crab. Well done, guys. We've learned lots of vehicles today and learned about our friends, the AnimaCars. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krusty. How are you? Would you like to learn the letters of the alphabet with us today? Great. Then let's go. Okay, Krusty. Let's learn your first letter. Find an object that begins with the letter A and put it in front of the letter. Excellent, Krusty. Apple begins with the letter A. Look, there's another letter. Find an object that begins with the letter B and put it in front of the letter. Excellent, Krusty. Baseball begins with the letter B. And here's another letter. Find an object that begins with the letter C and put it in front of the letter. Awesome! Carrot begins with the letter C. Well done, Krusty. You learned lots of letters today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Dump Trucks. Hi, Wheelephant. How are you? Would you like to learn the colors on the NBA basketball teams today? Great. Then let's go. Look, guys, the color red for the Cavaliers. Dump Trucks, can you shoot a basket? Awesome, Dump Trucks. You just threw the red Cavaliers basketball through the hoop. Your turn, Wheelephant. Look, a blue basketball. It's the Warriors. That's okay, Wheelephant. The Blue Warriors missed their basket, but are still in the game. Okay, dump trucks. Shoot your green basketball through the basketball hoop. You just threw the green Celtics basketball through the hoop. It's your turn again, Wheelephant. A purple basketball. It's the Lakers. Way to go, Wheelephant! You just threw the purple Lakers basketball through the hoop. Just like the NBA. You learned lots of colors today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krusty. How are you? Would you like to learn about the seasons today? Great, then let's go. Hi, Billdozer. A flower. This is a sign that spring is here. Right, Billdozer? Krusty, are you allergic to flowers? Hi, Trackodile. Oh, a pumpkin. Pumpkins grow in autumn. That's another season. Right, Trackodile? Do you like pumpkin, Krusty? Hi, Trucks. Wow, a snowman. Snow falls in winter. Trucks loves winter. What about you, Krusty? Are you cold? Hi, Trucktle. What a nice beach umbrella you have here. We can use beach umbrellas to protect us from the sun during summer. That's the hot season. Right, Krusty? Krusty? There you are! Is summer your favorite season, Krusty? Awesome! We learned a lot today. Would you like to review the 4 seasons? Spring, autumn, winter, summer. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krane. How are you? Would you like to find smiley faces with us today and learn colors? Great, then let's go. Okay, Krane. See if you can find the 5 smiley faces hidden in the trees. Awesome, Krane! You found the green smiley face. Let's find another smiley face. Awesome, Krane! You found the yellow smiley face. Let's look again. Way to go! You found the blue smiley face. What will the next color be? Great job, G. Krane. You found the orange smiley face. Here's just one more color. Well done, G. Krane. You found the purple smiley face. You learned lots of colors today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krusty. How are you? Are you pretending to be a boxer? I think you need boxing gloves. Look, there's some over there in the sand. Would you like to play the punching game with us today and learn numbers? Great, then let's go. Okay, Krusty, how many punches can you throw to knock down that punching bag? 1, 2. Awesome, Krusty. That's 3 times in a row. Let's go again. Wow! You punched the bag 4 times in a row, and it's still hanging. That's 5. It's not going to fall. That's okay, Krusty. You're a fierce boxer, and we learned many numbers today. Would you like to sum up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you soon, my friends. Hi, guys. How are you? Would you like to learn shapes with us today? Look, a star, a circle, a triangle, a rhombus, and a square. Excellent! Now let's make a star form. Awesome! Now take the star and put it in the star hole on the wooden plank. Great job! Let's match the circle. Excellent! Let's match the triangle. Let's match the rhombus. Let's match the square. Well done! You learned lots of shapes today. Would you like to review them? Star, circle, triangle, rhombus, square. See you soon, my friends. Hi, dump trucks. How are you? Would you like to learn colors with us today? Great. Then let's go. I have to warn you, dump trucks. The jungle is full of surprises. Look, dump trucks, the color yellow. I wonder what our next color will be. It's the color red. Be on the lookout for the next color, dump trucks. A blue balloon. A pink flower. The pink flower is teasing you, Dump Truck. I wonder what's next. There's an orange coming at you, Dump Truck. Well done. That was the color orange. You learned lots of colors today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, G. Krane. How are you? Would you like to play hide and seek with us today and learn numbers? Great, then let's go. Okay, G. Krane, walk over and face that big tree and close your eyes so your friends can hide. Now let's go find your friends and learn your first number. Take the number 1 with you. Way to go, G. Krane! You found Trucktle. That's one friend. Can you find another friend? Okay, let's go. Great job, G. Krane. Krusty makes 2. Let's find number 3. Great job, G. Krane. You found Torch. That's 3 friends. Let's find hide and seek number 4. Awesome! You found Wheelephant. That's 4 friends. Hide and seek number 5 is the only one left. Well done, G. Krane. You found Billdozer. That's 5 friends. You learned lots of numbers today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Wheelephant. How are you? Would you like to bowl with us today and learn numbers? Great, then let's go. Okay, Wheelephant, let's learn your first number. Roll the bowling ball with your shovel. Way to go, Wheelephant. You knocked down 1 bowling pin. Wheelephant, can you knock down 2 pins? Okay, let's go. Great job, Wheelephant. Our next number is 3. Can you knock down 3 pins? Awesome! Perfect, Wheelephant. Can you knock down the last 4 pins? Well done, Wheelephant. You learned lots of numbers today. Would you like to sum this up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you soon, my friends.